Good morning, futures traders, on this May 3rd, Tuesday. Just beginning. The time is 8:39. I'm starting a little bit earlier because things are moving, rattling and rolling. The NQ is flying. I normally don't start this early, but I figured I'd see the markets and see what they're doing, so I try to adapt all the time. So let's see what it's going to do. Doing a pullback now. Doing a deep pullback. See if we get something. No, wasn't happy right there. Maybe here.
Order filled. Order canceled.
There we go. Let's let
Order
this thing run
filled.
down. Still moving pretty much. I'm gonna hold off. I don't like it jittering all over the place. Let's see what strategy performance comes up with. It's probably 300. There it is. Yep. $333. And if you do just that every month and walk away, you'll make $10,000 a month. Okay, the time is now 8:40. I raised my goals up to 1,500 to 2,000. Let's just let it do its thing. Looks like it's getting into some chop right away. Yep, it's going for the daily low.
Order filled.
Here we go.
Order canceled.
Okay, let's get going, guys. Buyers, get in there.
Order filled.
Okay. Let's see what the grand total comes down to here. Strategy performance. $677 so far. And it is, like I said, jittery. See what oil's doing. Oh yeah. Look how they took it down all the way here, all the way down, and then rode it all the way back up. See if we can catch oil.
Order canceled.
Here we go. Come on, take it up past this. Right there. There we go. That's good. Now we're in. Look at that thing roll.
Order canceled.
I don't think we need oil on. Looks like we made our goal. Let's see what our strategy performance does here. I always like that. Ninja, they really do cool on that. Okay, yep, 2,736. The commission was $183. And if you do this every day for the month, you're going to make $83,000. And I think I did this for a total of 8 minutes, 6 minutes. Alright, so, oh, look at that. It's going up more. So I am happy with that very much. 27.36 is more than enough for the day. And I only turned it on because it was moving so well. So, and it did all the work for me. So, all right. Thank you for watching. I'll make more recordings.